With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, in this given question, we need to understand which of the following is used as anti-knocking material. So what is this anti-knocking agent? So let's first of all discuss this. So basically anti-knocking agent is an additive, or what we call as particularly gasoline additive, that are used to reduce the engine knocking, and it will also increase the fuel octane rating by raising the temperature and pressure at which the ignition occurs. So basically this is also a theoretical information, so you need to remember. So I'm discussing in a definition. An anti-knock agent is a gasoline additive used to reduce engine knocking, engine, engine knocking. So, and what it will do, it will increase the fuel octane number, or we can say octane rating, that is used to mention the efficiency of the fuel. So this anti-knocking agent particularly increases the fuel octane rating. And why? What it is performing this performance? By increasing the temperature and pressure at which the ignition occurs generally. By raising the temperature and pressure at which auto ignition occurs. So from the following, which one of the following is behaving as an anti-knocking agent and it is having this type of property? So it's going to be our tetraethyl lead, which is present in option C. So tetraethyl lead is going to behave as anti-knocking agent. So basically this is theoretical information, so keep in mind this point. It is going to increase the octane number of the fuel, and it will help in auto ignition by raising the temperature and pressure, which we have already discussed over this. So it will increase the octane number or octane rating of the fuel by raising the temperature and pressure. So these are the important points about the anti-knocking material and its related properties, and this is going to behave as anti-knocking agent. So TEL is our answer, option C.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.